In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some insider tricks to elevate your seasonal printable sales. The goal of today's video is to show you how to move your products, elevate your sales, and earn loyal customers. We'll be looking at when to sell in the off-season, when to put items on sale, how to take advantage of the global market, and how to make your listings seasonal. Seasonal printables are essentially printables, but aimed at a certain holiday or time of the year. So you'll see here we have an example of some Thanksgiving printable. This is wall art that someone could put up, a bit before Thanksgiving and then take down a bit after Thanksgiving. So it's specifically targeted towards Thanksgiving as a holiday. All right, the first trick we're going to be looking at that a lot of people don't consider is selling in the off season. So believe it or not, there are people that are looking for printables, Christmas printables or Halloween printables, spring printables before the season or holiday starts. So they might be looking for Christmas printables in July. As you can see here, we've got an Etsy seller that's doing probably a sale. So it'll be a bit less expensive to purchase these Christmas worksheets in the summer. For those people that are just trying to get ahead, don't underestimate people's desire to buy products in the off season. It doesn't cost you any more to keep these listings up. You've already done the work. Take advantage of customers in the off season too. Consider offering stock up sales. So a few months before the holiday or the event, consider offering a discount on your worksheets or your wall art, whatever your printables are. For example, you might consider an Easter stock up sale in February or early March. A 4th of July stock up sale, maybe late May, mid-June, or a back to school stock up sale in July or early August. That way you're taking advantage of those customers that are planners, that are getting on this in advance. Don't forget the global market. When it comes to seasonal printables, yes, it is winter in the northern hemisphere, but for people in the southern hemisphere, it is summer and vice versa. So your wintry printables might not be selling in August in New York, but they sure could be selling in August in Sydney, Australia. So as we've been talking about, consider sort of off-season sales. A basic off-season clearance sale can be a really good choice too. You can kind of add a sense of urgency by telling people that you're going to discontinue last year's Christmas products to make room for new ones. And so they need to buy them now in March or April. The next trick we're going to look at is to update some current listings or current things that you have to make them seasonal. So for example, maybe you have some children's math worksheets. That would be pretty easy to update into Halloween math worksheets by adding some Halloween clip art or changing the colors. We're going to take a look at an example of how to update a checklist. So if you have maybe just a standard cleaning checklist, like the example right here, I'm going to show you how you could change this into become more of a spring cleaning checklist. Okay, here we are in Canva. I've gone ahead and found just a standard Canva template. I searched for cleaning checklist and this was one of the first ones that we got. So to make this cleaning checklist more of a seasonal printable and make it more spring-like, I think the first thing I'm going to do is update some of the clip art here. So I'll get rid of that house, select it and press the back button. Maybe I'll add some flower clip art. Okay, so you can see I've added some flowers here. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the background. So I'll go down to the background tab. Maybe pick a pastel color. So you see there, I've got a pastel pink background. I've added some flowers. With just those quick changes, I've taken what was sort of a standard cleaning checklist and turned it into a spring cleaning checklist. The last thing that I might do is I may go ahead and add the word spring just so that people are completely clear. Okay, so we have a spring cleaning checklist. So you saw how quick it was. In just a few minutes, you could update a non-seasonal product that you already have listed and turn it into a seasonal printable to expand your catalog and attract new customers to your shop. The next tip I want to look at is nostalgia. So we all know that nostalgia plays an important role in holidays and celebrations, and a lot of shoppers want kind of retro decorations. So you can absolutely look online and find some kind of nostalgic images. A lot of these, obviously because they're vintage, you can find in the public domain. Make sure that if you are going this route, you're adding keywords that are combining sort of the seasonality of your seasonal printables with the nostalgia to reach the customers that are looking for that. So things like vintage Christmas, Victorian Halloween, first Thanksgiving, those are great examples of nostalgic terms. Now we're going to take a look at how you can offer promotions to customers or returning customers. So we'll be looking at how to add Etsy promo codes, how to do sales and promotions on Creative Market, and how to apply a sale to your shop on Teachers Pay Teacher. For Etsy promo codes, you simply go to your Etsy dashboard. You'll see Shop Manager at the top there. Then you'll go to Marketing, Sales and Discounts, and create a promo code. From there, you can choose specific products that you want to have be eligible for your promo code or apply it to your entire shop. Creative Market also makes it easy to do sales and promotions. However, they don't let you do things for your specific shop. So you have to sort of jump in on times that they're doing sales. For example, like Cyber Monday. They notify you and then you just say, yep, I'd like to add my products or my shop to the promotion. So you don't have to do anything on your end. You just wait for them to queue up a sale and then add your products. For Teachers Pay Teachers, you can click on your shop icon and then you'll see a throw a sale option. Once you click throw a sale, you just click new sale and you're able to choose percentage discounts or select certain items or put your entire shop on sale. If you want to get more tips and tricks on succeeding with seasonal printables, I've got a fantastic product that has tons of insider knowledge, lots of done-for-you templates, so you're ready to start listing seasonal products today. And there's no special skills or experience required to succeed with seasonal printables. Succeed with seasonal printables is perfect for people who want to make money all year long and people of any knowledge level, whether you're beginning printables for the first time or you already have a successful shop on Etsy or Creative Market. There's a lot of information in here that's going to apply to you and help you level up your sales. To learn more about this product, check out my website, Succeed, and the product is Succeed with Seasonal Printables.